All right, what's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be forging a hammer for Ben over at Cold Dragon Forge. I told him I'd forge him a hammer, and I'm finally getting around to doing it. So I'm going to try to recreate this style hammer I made. I forged this from a steering cylinder pin on a Cat 988G loader. And it's a 7-pound hammer, so I'm trying to shoot for that weight, you know. Probably be a little different because I'm going to be using a press, but I'm going to be forging it from an excavator track pin. This came from a PC 1100 Komatsu, which is a good size. It's a good size excavator. But you know, I'm getting caught up on knives and stuff, so I figured, you know, I'm going to take the time and make some tooling for myself. I got some other hammers to make. I want to make myself a hammer, so I'm going to get the forge fired up and stay tuned. All right, well, there's the hammer. One large hand hammer. It's a high T hammer. The scale says 8 pounds, but I don't know if I totally believe that. It's kind of a cheap scale. It's not very accurate. But here's a 2.5 pound hammer compared to this one for size. This hammer was this is a John Norwood hammer. It's 2.5 pounds. It's an awesome hammer. And it's number 35. I think the dude's working on like 400 something. So glad I got an early one. And then here's this is a 12 pound, 11.6 something pounds, but you know, round up. So here's a 12 pound sledge and this hammer. So there's the difference. So I'll lose a little bit of weight when I you know, contour the faces and grind the faces in. I normalized it here, so I'll heat treat it, you know. I'll use the kiln to heat treat it. So other than that, yeah, that was pretty awesome, and I think Ben will enjoy this hammer. I mean, how many people have a hammer forged out of a track pin? You know, not very many. Yeah, and also all my like my fullerene dies and stuff you probably seen in the video when I'm on the press. It's all made from pins that you know, use to pin in bucket teeth on loaders and excavators. They come in all kinds of different sizes. These are small ones, but you know, so I've got real large ones I use for fullerene, you know, smaller ones for hammers. So you know, and I've made all those dies myself, so, and they work great. And another thing is this punch lube. You know, I got this from Cole Iron Works, and this stuff is awesome. I don't know if you can tell in some of the videos where I'm striking the high side of the drift to release it. That's just kind of, you know, muscle memory, you know, and I really don't even need to do that. All I got to do is just, you know, hit it on the anvil and the thing will just come right off the drift. So I highly recommend some punch lube, and it works. It's awesome on the press, and it's awesome for just your handheld top tooling, you know. So, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And oh, one more thing, I'll be you know, hanging it on a store-bought hickory handle, but I'll be cutting it down. I'll have to clean up the eye a little bit, but it's gonna fit nice. So just want to throw that in there. But yeah, like I said, this hammer's going to Ben over at Cold Dragon Forge, so go check out his channel, and I hope you enjoy this thing, man. And I'll be in contact with you, and I'll get it shipped down there to you. So all right, you guys have a good day.